What's up, guys, and welcome to my series on how to get started in the washer and dryer business. I'm going to be doing weekly videos on how to get started in this business, tricks and tips for how to make more money in it. Please remember to subscribe because I'm going to be putting out videos on this weekly. What's up, guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about a question that I get a whole lot in the comments, and it's, will this business work in my area because I have competition in my area? Or I'll see people saying things like, you shouldn't be teaching everyone how to do this because you're just creating more competition for everyone around you. And that is really not the mindset to have with this kind of business. In my town personally, I am not the biggest appliance refurber in town. And I actually wouldn't say I'm number 2. I'm probably number 3, to be truthful. But guess what? I'm still making a whole lot of money doing this. There's room for everybody. You don't have to be the number 1 appliance guy in town to make any money. We are all making money and we can all grow. I know I could grow a whole lot if I wanted to, and I could get a bunch of employees just like one of my competition. He's got a bunch of employees doing this, working with them. He's teaching them how to do it. You can do all kinds of things. And there's so many different things you can do with the appliance business. I'm flipping personally, so I'm buying broken and I'm fixing them, cleaning them, listing them, and selling them with warranties. That's what I personally do. But there's some other ends of the business too. You could just be an appliance repair guy. You can learn how to repair washers, dryers, refrigerators, stoves, and you could just start off with just washers and dryers. You could just fix just those, do house calls. When I do a house call, I don't do them very often, but I do house calls sometimes. I charge $75 plus the cost of the part to go out once. And I only go out if I know I can fix it. So I have them send me a picture. They'll show me it. They'll tell me what the problem is. And if I know I can fix it, I will go out. Third way of doing it is I'm about to interview Ben's Appliance and Junk. He does a third way that I have done very lightly compared to him, and I'm very interested in talking with him. I'm going to talk to him next week. You'll see our first video of him. But he does a bunch of teardowns and selling on eBay. So he'll determine what's wrong with an appliance, determine if it's worth making more money on it, if he'll make more money on it actually flipping it like I do, or breaking it down and selling it on eBay. So there's so many different ways you can make money in this appliance business. Don't be afraid of your competition. Competition in several aspects, competition is great. I'm friends with my competition. I actually have bought parts from them. I've traded parts with them. I've had them call me, ask questions. I just asked a question a couple days ago to one of the other appliance guys that I know about a refrigerator. It's like, they're good to know. We can all grow as competitors with each other. We encourage each other to grow. Competition is a good thing in many ways. But I just wanted to put that video out there, guys. I want to let y'all know that this is a business that anyone can do. It's not easy, but anybody can do this, whether there's competition in your town or not. You can start off small and you can work your way up. You can make a lot of money flipping appliances or breaking them down, selling parts, or just going out and doing repairs. There's so much money to be made in the service industry as far as doing service calls, repairs. There's so much to be made that you don't have to worry about your competition. Don't worry about that. Just get out there, hustle, and make some money. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I am super tired. I have been packing my house all day long. I've got boxes. I'll show you real quick. Got boxes everywhere. This is my kitchen, boxes. There's my wife, she's super tired. She's been building boxes all day and packing our kitchen away. We're nearly done. But I'm super exhausted. Sorry for the super tired looking video. It's like past midnight right now, but I will be interviewing Ben's Appliances and Junk. Any questions you have for him, put them down below. I will ask him. And guys, we'll see y'all soon.